This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Karen Sandler. 3-bedroom 3-bath concrete block pool home in Sandpiper. Expansive golf course views. Open floor plan with tile flooring. Impact windows throughout with plantation shutters on front windows. Kitchen has granite countertops, marble tile backsplash and stainless appliances. Master suite has wood laminate floors and French doors out to the covered patio. The third bedroom is a large 335 square feet with a private bath and large walk-in cedar closet. It has a separate entrance for a perfect mother-in-law suite. This home has a very large laundry room and extra large utility room with for storage.Great location for shopping, dining, and beaches and Club Med. For more information, review the details below.